Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's not just about personal growth, but also about building a strong and supportive community. In the fast-paced world we live in, personal development goals are the compass guiding individuals to their best selves. Stick around as we explore the significance of connecting with you, our amazing audience, through your personal development goals, and how together we can foster a sense of community and support along this incredible journey. Importance of personal development. Now let's talk about the transformative impact of personal development goals. They're not just about setting objectives. They're about self-improvement, increased confidence, motivation, and overall well-being. Your journey matters, and understanding its importance is the first step towards growth. Building a sense of community. But personal growth doesn't happen in isolation. We're here to build a community, a supportive environment where we can all thrive. Join me as we explore strategies for encouraging open communication, creating a culture of mutual support, and turning this channel into a hub of shared goals. Connecting through goal sharing. I want to hear from you. Share your personal development goals in the comments below. Let's connect through our aspirations. In this segment, we'll explore the positive outcomes of goal sharing and how it strengthens our community. Your goals inspire us, and together, we can inspire others. Strategies for effective communication. Effective communication is the key to any thriving community. We'll delve into practical strategies, active listening, attentiveness, and empathy. These skills not only enhance our interactions, but also deepen our understanding of each other's personal development journeys, fostering mutual support. Celebrating achievements together creates a powerful bond. We'll discuss the significance of acknowledging and cheering on each other's successes. By fostering mutual support, we're creating a positive and uplifting atmosphere that propels us all forward. Community building activities. Beyond discussions, let's get hands-on workshops, webinars, and more. These activities solidify our sense of community. Stay tuned as we explore different activities that facilitate connection and shared growth. Your participation makes our community stronger. Benefits of a supportive community. Dive deep into the emotional well-being and motivation that stems from a supportive community. Feeling a sense of belonging enhances the likelihood of achieving personal development goals. We're not just a channel, we're a family supporting each other. Real-life examples. Real stories, real people. This segment is all about showcasing success stories. Individuals who, like you, connected with their audience through discussions on personal development. Get ready for some inspiration. Overcoming challenges. We all face challenges on our journey. Let's acknowledge setbacks together and explore insights on overcoming obstacles collectively. Because in this community, we don't just share successes, we navigate challenges together. The role of empathy. Empathy is our superpower. Understanding and sharing each other's experiences build a compassionate community focused on personal development. Stay with us as we explore the transformative role of empathy in our collective growth. Creating inclusive spaces. Everyone matters. In this segment, we discuss strategies for creating inclusive spaces that cater to diverse personal development goals. Your uniqueness is what makes our community vibrant and thriving. Online platforms for goal sharing. In the digital age, we're not limited by physical boundaries. Discover how social media and online forums can be powerful tools for sharing personal development goals and experiences. Let's connect beyond the screen. Impact of community on goal achievement. Backed by studies and research, we'll explore the positive impact a supportive community has on the successful attainment of personal development goals. Spoiler alert, it's a game changer. As we wrap up, remember that connecting with you through your personal development goals creates a powerful sense of community and support. Together, we're not just individuals, we're a community actively engaged, celebrating achievements, and fostering mutual support. Join us in this journey of personal growth and goal achievement. Until next time, keep growing, keep thriving, and keep connecting.